Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi. In this session, I'm not going to show you just one chord, but I'm going to show you how to play 10 guitar chords that many guitarists do not know using one simple chord shape. We'll strum all the strings on every chord, so this is going to be very easy. The first chord is A suspended 2. That's our shape. We're going to take the middle and ring finger, and we're basically going to play the D, the G string, and move it up the neck. Our first chord is A suspended 2. We're going to take the middle and ring finger and place them on the D and the G string at fret 2 and strum all the strings. That's A suspended 2. Now we're going to raise that chord by 1 fret to fret 3, and we're going to get this chord. Now that's a very intense chord called E suspended 4, flat 9, sharp 11. We'll raise it again to the 4th fret and get a nicer chord, which is E suspended 4, add 9. We'll get a very useful minor chord at fret 5, an A minor 9. And we'll get a very useful major at fret 6, A major 9. At fret 7, we get E7 suspended 4. At fret 8, we get E major 7 suspended 4, sharp 11. Now that's an Erie chord. At fret 9, we get E suspended 4. Now here's a very suspenseful chord at fret 10. That's E suspended 4, flat 6, flat 9. At fret 11, we have A 6 9. That's very nice. And then finally, at fret 12, we have E minor 11. So there's 10 easy to play chords using the same shape. Now if we want to make some short progressions out of these chords, we can go to fret 5. Here's a minor 2-chord progression. That's from fret 5 to fret 4. Here's a major 2-chord progression, moving from fret 6 to fret 5. Now if you want to add a little suspense, go to fret 8 and fret 7. Or you could try fret 10 to fret 9. It's a good idea to just play each chord, listen to it, and try to find a way for it to fit into your original music. That's 10 chords that you can play using a basic, easy chord shape. And their names. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.